do you not spend in the cause of Allah while to Allah belongs the heritage of heavens and earth. So everything belongs to Allah. But Allah said, why don't you spend? When you spend, what will happen to you? Allah will benefit you. You will become the inheritor in the day of judgment after that when you die. And that's the whole thing is. And that is the whole example. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talking about the two group of people who spent, But again, Allah is going to give the reward for both of them, depending on who is the best in the spending in the way of Allah. So in this context, we understand this attribute of Allah. Allah is Al-Waris. And the next one after that is
Al-Rashid.
Ar-Rashid. This is an attribute which you look into that. If you look into the Surah Fatiha, Ahdina Sirat al-Mustaqim, guide us to the straight path. Ar-Rashid is the one who guides to the straight path, the guide to the straight path, the right path. And this is, so if you want to equivalent the whole word, like a whole phrase, Sirat al-Mustaqim, equivalent to the one who guides to the Sirat. Allah is the one who guides to the straight path, Ar-Rashid. So Allah, and this is also, you will see in Surah Kahf also, there is a prayer actually, a group of people, the prayer in the last word is Rashada, Allah guide us to the straight path, So those, the believer, they ask Allah. So because Allah is Al-Rashid, so they use this word Ar-Rashada. If you look into the Surah Al-Kahf, which is the what chapter number Surah Al-Kahf? Remember anybody?
80.
18? Probably 18. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And let's see.
You should get Kahf or Kahf.
Kahf. Yeah. Rashada. This is. Okay. Let's see.
إذ أوى الفتية إلى الكهف فقالوا ربنا آتنا من لدنك رحمة وهيئ لنا من أمرنا رشدا.
Are they praying?
Mentioned when the youth retreated to the cave and said, Our Lord, grant us from yourself mercy, prepare for us from our fair right guidance.
See, again, so these people, they were in the cave and they asked Allah for the guidance, the right way. That's why the Rashada is there. There's a whole story about that. It's a beautiful story. So we'll talk some other time when next our classes we're going to be using some of those. And the last attribute today is As-Sabur.
अजान हो गई है?
हो गई?
या इसमें तो हो गई?
लोग पढ़ तो नहीं रहे थे? कोई पढ़ तो नहीं रहे थे?